guys, welcome to Grounded and Growing. My name's Marissa. So recently we experienced some very cold temperatures, much colder than I think I've experienced in a very long time, maybe most of my life here in Springfield, Missouri. But I took some extra precautions to try to ensure that the crops that are here in the greenhouse would bounce back, but also to make sure that my chickens were comfortable during this time as well. So I'm going to show you a little bit of that extra love that I added to the farm during these unexpected, very cold temperatures that are not the norm for us. So let's take a look and see. Stole the chicken food, didn't you, you other bird? They're not feeling it today. Not so much. To give the chickens a little extra boost of energy during the cold temperatures, I made a mix of quick cook oatmeal and eggs for them to eat. In addition to extra food and water in their coop, I also insulated the windows of the coop and added extra hay to keep them warm. I also made sure to collect the eggs at least twice a day to prevent them from freezing. For the greenhouse, I covered everything with sheets and added one of my heat mats to try to keep it extra warm in there. I made sure to uncover the bed during the day and recover at night. The lowest our outdoor temps was -13 degrees. In the greenhouse, we maintained a steady 12 degrees warmer than that most nights. Daytime temperatures in the greenhouse were much different than outside temperatures, depending on the amount of sun that day. Okay, here we are, post winter weather extreme temperatures. So it looks like this dinosaur kale is actually doing really well. It has a little bit of damage, you can see, but other than that, it is surviving okay. It actually is much perkier than I expected. So my cabbage is still going. The broccoli is pretty sad looking, but I'm hopeful that this is going to bounce back. If you kind of take a look, it doesn't look terrible. I've pruned off a lot of leaves that received the most damage, but we're hanging in there. It's not horrible. So I'm really hoping that these are gonna make a comeback here. And then some cauliflower. This one is still doing okay. It has some leaf damage, but other than that, it is still trying to pull through. Nothing too terrible. I am really surprised at how well these things are actually pulling through. This one hasn't quite set a very large head yet, but this one's cauliflower as well. And it's got some damage in the leaves, but it's really not terrible. So I'm pretty pleased. Lots of kale, still doing well. These both managed to pull through. And here on this trellis is where I had all of my peas, and they did not make it. So I've pulled all of those out, and I'm gonna restart some peas there pretty soon. The chickens did well with temperatures as low as -8 and -13 at night, with no additional heat sources added at all.